AI is such a broad term and it can mean so many different things. So what is AI and what comes under that term? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which just means a machine that does tasks that normally require human intelligence. This could be things like understanding language like ChatGPT, recognizing photos, and even driving cars. If a machine can think, sense, or act in a smart way, that's AI. But AI isn't a single thing. It's like a collection of smart systems and tools to mimic the way humans learn and think. So is AI a robot? No. A robot is just a physical machine, whereas AI would be the brain. It's like a software that can be used in apps, in your phone, on servers, and potentially powering robots. There are actually different types of AI. Narrow AI is most of what we use today. This is really good at doing well-defined tasks. This could be like translating text or recognizing images. There is general AI, which is AI that can reason and think like a human on any task. There is machine learning, where AI learns from data. So an example of this could be an AI recognizing cats from images. And there is also deep learning. And this is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks. These are inspired by how our human brains work. So there's layers of nodes that process data and learn patterns. This would be very good at tasks like image recognition or speech. So what do people mean when they say AI? Well, it's not one thing. It could be ChatGPT, a self-driving car, or Netflix recommendations. But at its core, AI is just about making machines act smart. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the first video of my AI series, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the rest. But other than that, I'll see you next time. No, I don't know how to say this. What is this? Machine learning. This would, so make a, subscribe.